Hi guys, I finally got fidgets now, so let's do a real video of me with fidgets. Hi guys, I got fidgets and I really want to show them to you guys. So let's start off with this circle one. So this circle one, guys, is really good, and yeah, this is like the only 3 puppets, guys, that I have. So please do not pick at me. Alright, that's the end of the fidget. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Well, you guys already know the puppets, so yeah. These babies out of the way. We got this like little fidget thingy. I don't know what to call it, but it's a fidget. I got it from my bestie yesterday. She said that it's totally a fidget. So let's see, it's a fidget. Wait, is this candy? I got candy. Oh my gosh. Alright. Marshmallows. These like little things that stick to the wall. Wacky Tracky, Monkey Noodle, Fidget Spinner, and and this fidget. Bye guys.